Morning everyone, class 12, subject business studies, chapter 12, consumer protection. Consumer protection. Okay, so today we will start our topic remedies available to consumers. Remedies available to consumers. Okay, so following relief regarding under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So point number first in this series, removal of defects in goods, removal of defects in the goods and services supplied by the seller in the goods or services supplied by the seller, means those kind of goods sale by seller. So if a good is defective, so goods return policy is available under the Consumer Protection Act. Next point, replacement of goods with new goods of similar description. Replacement of goods, replacement of replacement of goods with new goods, with new goods as per same description या as per similar quality. New goods as per same quality. Okay, point number 2, replacement of goods with new goods as per same quality या as per same description. Point number next, refund of price by seller or manufacturer. Refund of price by seller or manufacturer. Refund of price by seller or manufacturer to the complainant. Okay, so regarding complaint, a manufacturer or seller is responsible regarding refund policies. Next, payment of compensation if consumer suffered any loss or injury. Payment of compensation. Payment of compensation. Payment of compensation if a consumer has suffered, if the consumer has suffered any loss, if the consumer has suffered any loss or injury. Okay, so payment of compensation if the consumer has suffered any loss or injury. Next, not to offer regarding Yeah, discontinuance of unfair trade practices. So, point number fifth, discontinue, discontinue regarding unfair trade practices. Discontinue regarding unfair trade practices. Point number first, removal defects in goods or services supplied by the seller, replacement of goods with new goods as per same quality. Point number third, refund of price by seller or manufacturer to the complaint. Next point, payment of compensation if the consumer has suffered any loss or injury regarding certain quality of product. Provide for adequate cost to the complaint. Provide sufficient sufficient cost to consumer regarding complaint. Regarding complaint. Okay. So following points are include remedies available to consumers regarding Consumer Protection Act 1986. Okay.